The way we communicate today has shifted. Instead of physical meeting spaces, more interactions are taking place virtually over Zoom. But despite advances in video quality, we can't help but lose certain qualities of face-to-face meetings. Meeting Insights from Cyrano.ai helps you get the most out of your Zoom meetings by providing intuitive feedback about every interaction you have, giving you a distinct advantage in your sales, customer service, and even internal team calls. Meeting Insights is an easy-to-install Zoom extension developed by leading neurolinguistic scientists. These experts are able to identify and analyze the subliminal verbal signals people don't even realize they're giving off. Meeting Insights uses artificial intelligence to analyze your Zoom calls as they happen and sends you a highly detailed, easy-to-follow feedback report. You'll learn more about your meeting guests than they know about themselves and gain actionable, strategic advice on how you can best work with them. Whether you're a salesperson hungry to close more deals, a customer service rep hoping to connect more deeply with your customers, or a busy business owner strategizing how to get more out of your team, you'll be empowered by the precise feedback provided by Meeting Insights. Want to see what the power of AI can do for your business? Install Meeting Insights now.